Ladies and gentlemen, city after city is witnessing a huge spike. Omicron itself has crossed the 1,000 mark. And as we get ready to ring in the new year, it is in our hands to ensure we avoid a third wave. COVID protocols, restrictions are the only way forward. But our politicians, they are on a rallying spree. They don't seem to get the message. Let's debate.
The Omicron surge is real with a 181% spike in a week. COVID cases are increasing at an alarming rate with an over 40% spike in all major cities. The numbers are staggering. A tsunami of cases are predicted.
I'm highly concerned that Omicron, being more transmissible, circulating at the same time as Delta, is leading to a tsunami of cases.
But watch how the streets of Shimla were filled with people as tourists thronged to the city for New Year celebrations. For the record, Omicron has already reached Himachal Pradesh. Watch how election-bound Goa is packed for New Year's celebrations. The masks are down, but COVID is up by 22% spike in the past 24 hours. These images of densely crowded roads are from Bandra reclamation in Mumbai at a time when Mumbai has seen over 3,671 cases. That's an increase of 1,161 cases in a day. In election-bound Uttar Pradesh, the roads are congested with people as any semblance of a third wave is disregarded. For the record, UP has seen a 21% rise in cases in 24 hours. Watch how in Bengal, Ganga Sagar is packed with tourists and all norms go for a toss. For the record, Bengal saw 2,128 fresh COVID cases today. Assam's Langbukuj was brimming with tourists who rushed to enjoy the clear waterfalls. COVID-appropriate behavior be shunned. Even as the Health Ministry is saying this.
And we are updating you on the available information, which takes a little extra time for us to recognize and identify the variant. But we believe that this push is a part of the global upsurge, which is related to Omicron, but we'll continue to update you on the specifics of it.
The Election Commission that reviewed the situation in UP decided to go ahead with elections, claiming this.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी, इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस, नेशनलिस्ट कांग्रेस पार्टी की सभी राजनीतिक दलों के प्रतिनिधियों ने ये हम लोगों को बताया कि कोविड प्रोटोकॉल का पालन करते हुए समय पर चुनाव होने चाहिए। तो सबसे प्रथम सभी दलों ने विदाउट एनी डिफरेंस ऑफ ओपिनियन सभी ने कहा कि कोविड को ध्यान में रखते हुए समय पर चुनाव कराया जाए।
Look at how rallies were taking place in Uttar Pradesh, in Punjab and in Goa. Will the politicians demand a hard stop on election rallies? There can be no go slow on restrictions ahead of elections. Rallies must stop. It is people over politics.